seat stop, unbuckle your safety belt, lift up on your safety harness, and watch your step as you exit your lot, taking all personal belongings with you. Thank you and enjoy your day here at Busch Gardens.
Enjoy your ride on
Please step into the coaster as quickly and safely as possible, pulling your harness down to your waist and buckling your safety belt.
Por favor, entre a la montaña rusa lo más rápido y precavido posible. Bajen sus barras de seguridad hasta su cintura y pónganse los cinturones de seguridad.
Wait, how come you get two? I do? No, I don't. No, it's terrifying. This is really close. I don't like this.
Excuse me?
Mm-hmm. I know. There's a bug in my ear, and it is bothering me. Yeah. Not like in my ear, it's just like flying around.
Please stand behind the white line. The gates are...
It's a little bit cold out, I can't lie. Huh? Oh, hi. I didn't see you. Oh, wow, it really is cold. This is a very nice view. It would be better if it was daytime. Oh, here comes the splashdown. Yeah, that was a lot shorter than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, I thought that was gonna feel a lot worse. Honestly. Oh yeah, I felt that when we were going down to like the splash zone. Yeah, I felt it. Like gotten like on my chin. It's on my chin now. Yeah, that was actually really good. It didn't feel like I thought. Like it went straight down, but like I didn't feel like this. Like yeah. I feel like the drop is worse on like cheetah hunt or like tigress. Like you feel it more. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe it's just because I did all those rides first.
Yeah. Woohoo! Maybe we should do it again. I don't know if we have enough time. But I got chicken, so yeah, it does.
As the coaster comes to a complete stop, unbuckle your safety belt, lift up on your safety harness, and watch your step as you exit to your left, taking all personal belongings with you. Thank you and enjoy your day here at Busch Gardens.
A medida que la montaña se detenga por completo, desarrolle su cinturón de seguridad, levante su arnés de seguridad y mide su paso sobre la izquierda, tomando todas las pertenencias personales con usted. Gracias y disfrute de su día aquí en Busch Gardens.
It is. It is. It like drops.
My hair feels like it's going to